Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Travel and tourism industry boom. Flight searches up by 124% ahead of Diwali. I2 request to restore tourist visa for Canada and UK nationals. Discounted airline tickets cause rush at Delhi immigration. Direct flights between India, China unlikely to be resumed in near future due to Beijing's COVID rules. Sources: India key aviation market, air travel demand to be robust. IATA. India back in travel mood, consumer uptick in traveling this festive season. Dubai Miracle Garden opens for season 11 with new attractions. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.